Hello and welcome to Jillie's Nails. It is Mani by Me Day. The theme this month is Stormchaser, which I'm here for. I might have a little obsession. I do live in a very weathery state. We have lots of weather here. I am a Maniology affiliate, do have to tell you that up front. But I want to tell you more about Cloudburst and Droplet, the polishes in this month's box. I was really concerned that Droplet was going to be very similar to a sheer one that they put out. I think it was with the horoscope box, and it was a really super sheer blue. I did not like that polish. I like this one much better. However, Cloudburst, also a little bit weird. It's like a grayish purple, and y'all are going to see some reds in here. There's no red in this polish. I was wearing a red tank top, and for some reason, every picture, it picked up red. And I didn't know it until I'd already put everything away, and I'm sorry, but I wasn't digging 20 bottles of polish back out because I took a lot of photos that day. Anyway, it's not red. It's like a bluish, not blue, it's like a dark gray, and like somebody spit a little purple in it. I do like it. It's unusual. I feel like it's a little more of a wintry color, but it is good for a tornado. Like, it's good for a weather thing, so it does fit with the box. I love that about it. And I do like this color a lot too, Droplet. This one is also going to show a little bit of red. It's not red, but it does have a little pink in it. And I like that. I think it's cute, gives it a little shimmer to it. Very hard to see. Y'all, I've been having lighting problems since I've been in my new nail room. Since the day I moved in. I'm working on them. I don't know what's going on, but it's making me crazy. So if you hear me get a little whiny about it, I'm sorry. But Droplet, it stamps great. It looks fine. It's, very light over the white. And I didn't have my stamper clean either. We had drama in the nail room. So there was a little bit extra left on there. I do want to talk about these plates. And I think it's this one. I don't like this one. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know. I just don't like it. I kind of like the radar image stuff, and I like the planet Earth. I don't like the rest of it. I don't like the little weather decal thing. I just don't. It's not for me. It seems like it would be a lot of work to do a mani with that. Like, a lot of work. But this plate, I do like a lot. I like the hurricane image. I like the tornado images. It's a nice one. I really like the second plate, and I really like this one too. I think they're cute. I like that you can put little faces on them. They're adorable. Y'all, my nails are still breaking. They're breaking down low. So if you see my nails looking crazy for the next couple weeks, again, we have drama in the nail room right now. So everything is just a little weird right now. This color, I'm going to show you this up close in the bottle. I forgot to bump it forward in the video. But this is an I Love Nail Polish color. I really like the colors that came in this box. But for this mani, I really had this idea in my head of like a really pretty purple background. And you know how like when lightning flashes through dark clouds, it all just kind of lights up and looks purple, and it looks lighter and lighter, almost like a round ombre around the lightning. That's kind of what I was hoping for with this. It didn't come out quite like I hoped, but I still really like this. So I'm using this color. It's from the At Midnight collection from I Love Nail Polish. I think it was 2 collections ago. It's a beautiful purple, and it has a lovely, lovely hollow shimmer in it. It's a nice polish. And then I used Essie Skinny Dip as my kind of neutral color. If you've been here for a while with me, you know that this is like my all-time your natural nails but better, at least for my skin tone. And I have swapped over to the mani mask for now. I've been using liquid latex that's like, to put on your face for Halloween and that kind of stuff. And I just kept looking at it, and honestly, somebody made a comment about it and it ticked me off. But I'm not going to say that maybe that person wasn't right, but it still ticked me off. It looked skanky and just looked gross. And there's nothing wrong with it. You can clean it off really quick, but it gums up like every single time I use it. So I did swap over to the Mani by Me stuff again right now. The cool thing about that though, compared to the other stuff, is it is latex free. So if you have an allergy, that's a good one to use. It feels a little more glue based. So what I'm doing here, I'm just grabbing Cloudburst, and I'm kind of just making clouds in the background. I wanted them to look a little more cloudy, but I'm not really an artiste. That's why I stamp, because I'm not very good at the other stuff. I haven't practiced it. So it's a little more full than I wanted, but I still like how it looked. So it kind of just looks like this dark storm cloud. And I'm grabbing that second plate that I told you I really liked because we're going to do the lightning images across the nails. And I loved how it came out. I almost wished on the middle nail I hadn't gone all the way over the tip. And I do that right here when I stamp, like the lightning is just all over the whole nail. It looks a little crazy. And I wish I had maybe gone quite down to the tip of it, but I still like how it looks. And I did white on purpose. This is Bam White from Maniology. And I used that stark of a white on purpose because I thought that I might end up going in and maybe using some like alcohol inks or a little bit of watercolor to kind of add in some color and texture to the lightning. And so I did it as a just in case situation. You don't have to use anything that starkly white. You could use a silver, you could use a gold or a yellow. Lightning comes in all shades. Trust me. But I really like how this is starting to look. We're not done. But wait, there's, I can't say that because it's probably a copyright violation. There's more coming. So this is another color from I Love Nail Polish. It's just a little different purple. And I don't have the name of it right in front of me. I'm sorry, I forgot to get it. It's a little bit more of a violet one, but it ended up looking much more cool toned on the nail than it did in the bottle. I was almost looking for like a fuchsia pink for that blown light effect inside of there. So this was a little too dark, and at that point it kind of messed it up. I was a little sad about that. But then I dropped this color, which is called Eve, that I'm using as like little electric charges. It's a very silvery hollow, also from I Love Nail Polish in that At Midnight collection. So I ended up loving it though. I used it to make it look like a lightning burst in the middle of all the clouds. I really do like how it came down. It wasn't quite what I planned, but I almost think it was a little bit better. So I'd love to know what you think, and I appreciate you watching and listening to me whine about my nail room drama. I'm so glad to be back. I've missed you guys. I really appreciate your support while things have been a little weird and rough. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.